Coming to you from City Arena Santa Mesa as we continue Season 3 of the Members League Inter Undrafted, proudly partnered with 1xBet. You have here our 1xBet best player of the game, Mr. Obi Lopez, with 26 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal. So, ano ang mindset ng pagpasok ng game?
Mindset ko is makatulong sa team, pasa, tas depensa, kasi ako yung pinadadala nila ng bola. Kumbaga, nagtitimon sa kanila.
Okay? So, ano ang naging game plan ninyo at paano
Wala kaming game plan pero ang ginawa lang namin is nag-usap-usap sa loob ng court, then tulong-tulong lang para manalo.
So, sino ang inspirasyon mo tuloy naglalaro?
Inspirasyon ko yung girlfriend ko. Yun lang.
Lastly, anyone you would like to give a shout?
Shout-out sa girlfriend ko, sa magulang ko, and sa team kay boss, sa mga tropa ko, yun lang.
Once again, our best player of the game, Mr. Obi Lopez of Team Attack Team. Show your support, use our promo code UBC1X to unlock special rewards with 1xBet. Please like and follow our FB page, Undrafted Always Club. Thank you
Thank you
po.
po.